Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of people ask me about. What size file can I upload to Smartsheet? I know that this can be a bit of a confusing topic, so I'm going to do my best to explain it in a way that's easy to understand. What is Smartsheet? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Smartsheet is. Smartsheet is a cloud-based spreadsheet application that's designed to help you manage your work. It's a great tool for tracking projects, collaborating with team members, and getting things done. File size limits. So what size file can you upload to Smartsheet? The answer is that it depends on the type of file you're uploading. For spreadsheets, the maximum file size is 100 megabytes. For other files, the maximum file size is 25 megabytes. How to increase your file size limit? If you need to upload a larger file, there are a few things you can do. Upgrade your plan. Smartsheet offers a variety of plans, and some of the higher-tier plans have larger file size limits. Use a third-party file sharing service. You can use a service like Dropbox or Google Drive to share large files with your Smartsheet team. Split your file into smaller chunks. If your file is too large to upload, you can split it into smaller chunks. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for uploading files to Smartsheet. Use the correct file format. Smartsheet supports a variety of file formats, including Excel, CSV, and PDF. Make sure your file is not corrupted. If your file is corrupted, you will not be able to upload it to Smartsheet. Be patient. It may take a few minutes for your file to upload, depending on the size of the file. I hope this information helps you understand what size file you can upload to Smartsheet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on using Smartsheet.